Now we discuss about flame. Flame is the region where the combustion takes place. By vaporizing the substance, the material vaporizes and the region in which the vapors burn is called the flame. For example, if we take a candle burns with the flame, this is because a candle is made up of wax, and when the wick of the wax is lighted, it melts the wax and the vapor rises up and catches fire and form the flame. So the candle flame has three zones. First one is inner zone or dark zone. This is called dark zone because this is dark black in color and the zone consists of unburnt wax vapors. This zone of the candle is the least hot and the temperature is about 800 to 1000 degrees Celsius. Second is luminous zone or middle zone. This is the zone where the wax vapors starts burning and the color of the flame is yellowish, that is here incomplete combustion is taking place and the temperature is about 1200 degrees Celsius. And next is non-luminous zone or outer zone. It is the zone where complete combustion takes place. Here you can see the blue color of the flame, which shows that complete combustion is taking place as the oxygen is present here in sufficient amount and the temperature here is very high, about 14 degree Celsius. Now we will discuss about fuel. What is a fuel? Here you can see in the picture there are different types of fuels and have different flames. Candle burns with yellow flame or LPG gas burns with blue flame. Some does not have flame, only sparkles. So what is a fuel? We observe that different type of fuels. Fuel is a substance that can burn in the presence of air to give out heat and energy. Fuel can be solid, liquid or gas. For example, solid coal is a solid fuel, petrol is liquid and biogas is a gaseous fuel. So now what are the characteristics of good fuel? Which type of fuels we said that they are good in characteristics? Yes, the fuel should not be expensive first of all, and it should be readily available in the market. The fuel not produce harmful gases on burning so that it does not cause any uh, in our environment. The fuel should be easy to store and transport, and the fuel should burn safely and should be readily combustible. मतलब means easily burned. The ignition temperature of the fuel should be above the room temperature. And the most important characteristic is that it has high calorific value. Calorific value is the quantity of heat produced by complete combustion of 1 kg of fuel. Means when 1 kg of fuel is heated, so the amount of heat produced by 1 kg of fuel is called its calorific value and it is expressed in kilojoule per kg. Now as we use different type of fuels, it have some bad effects also in as the burning of fuel have different effects in our environment. As we know that acid rain formation occurs. Because of different type of fuels like coal, power plant, factories, these fuels produces nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide in the atmosphere, and the gases react with oxygen present in the air to form their oxides like nitrogen trioxide and sulfur trioxide respectively. And when these oxides mix with water, rainwater, it forms acid rain. It falls down in the form of acid rain. So this is a very serious problem. Next is global warming. Global warming means increasing the temperature, increasing the quantity of carbon dioxide gas in the environment. When the carbon dioxide gas occurs in excess, carbon dioxide gas can trap heat, absorb heat. The more the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, more heat is trapped, due to which the temperature of our earth is increases continuously. So due to increase in the temperature of the earth becomes warm, which is known as global warming. Global warming can lead to the melting of polar ice caps, which may causes the sea level to rise, causing flood. So what can be done to reduce all bad effects of the fossil fuels? We have some alternatives. We have to find some alternatives of fossil fuels, like we can use solar energy and wind energies to fulfill our requirements, or we can reduce the use of electricity by taking care of the switching off light when not in use. Using less electricity reduces the pollution and power plants. Or nowadays we can use catalytic converters in the car, which remove the harmful chemicals present in the exhaust gases. So these are the some remedies which we can perform to reduce the bad effects of environment. So your chapter is completed now.